Hello, my name is Lisa Gamble, and this is my Module 1 Introduction. A little bit about me. I've just completed my 7th year of teaching. My previous experiences were in the more rural town of Winfield, where I taught 7th and 8th grade language arts for 2 years, and then in the more urban area of Wichita, where I taught 7th grade. My current position is teaching 7th grade language arts in Valley Center. Through my experiences, I have gotten to teach 6th through 8th grade reading intervention, 7th grade language arts, of course, ESOL. I functioned as a 7th grade team leader and then separately as the English language arts team leader. And I currently direct the Dungeons and Dragons Club after school, which has been quite the hit. I don't have any kids, so I'll attempt to charm you all with pictures of my pets instead. We have Rudy over here on the left, Scroopy Noopers towards the middle. Maxie is our elderly girl, and our two lovely cats, Liesel and Pikachu, who has a little broken lightning bolt tail. They're who I charm my students with every year, so I'll share them with you guys as well. A critical reflection on data analysis in my school. These are the current tools that we use. We use the Ames Web Screener. We do this in fall, winter, and spring for reading and math. This is often used in making class schedules. The fall determines where students are placed in, the spring data determines where students are placed in the next fall. And then when we test in the fall, we tweak and make sure that those schedules are accurate and where students need to be. Students who score in the 50th percentile and below on Ames Web take the RCVM test, which is a reading aloud screener. And those who score in the 25th percentile and below, we progress monitor weekly and collect that data throughout the year. Students who come to us speaking other languages who do not speak English as their first language take the KELPA. I've never gotten to see the results of a KELPA test, so I'm honestly not sure how it is used with the district other than placing students in classrooms with teachers who are ESOL certified and making sure that they are provided supports. We do have a social emotional learning screener that is new this year and we're just starting to roll out. So we haven't gotten to see much from it yet. And then of course we always have state assessments, but I wouldn't say that my school reviews or uses that data very much currently. Critique on what I know. Data is used to inform our scheduling, to provide tier 2 and 3 supports. We have a separate reading assist and math assist class for those students who show that they are struggling and who need the extra supports. We use it to identify the appropriate curriculum to meet mastery in our standards. I personally use standards-based grading in my classroom, and I use that to collect data on every standard that the student is creating work toward. And then that's great and it's so easy to communicate back with parents during parent-teacher conferences and anytime questions arise. It's also great for allowing students to take ownership of their own learning. They get to participate in that data process and see their scores and then make goals to improve. And it's also great so that they can see what exactly they need to do to improve and to meet those goals. My plan of action for this course, to enhance my knowledge, I'll read about the applications of data and data analysis, study the input of my classmates. We are classroom Google community. I'm very excited to learn from all of you and apply the new learning that I get into my classroom and see how it works. That is it for my slides. Thank you all very much. I'm excited to learn with you.